All right, so let's get into some examples. So it says drawing angles in standard position. Now, standard position means that our initial side is headed east. So I am headed east. Now, if you think about it, 360 is a whole circle. That's 90. A straight line is 180. And then line down is 270. That's 3 times 90. So this angle is 240. So that means we're looking at, we need to see how far past the straight line we need to go. We're headed this way and we don't know where we need to stop. So if you go ahead and subtract it, we get that it's going to be 60 degrees past 180. So that's like about 2/3 of the way through. So that's gonna be my terminal side. And that's gonna be 240 degrees. So literally think about it as you've got 90, 180, 270, and 360, and you're gonna figure out how to go from there. Now, if you look at B is 500 degrees, which is definitely bigger than 360. So it's over 1 rotation. So if I go ahead, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw this. This will give us an accurate, axes to start off with, where, let's see, I'm gonna go blue. This is my terminal side, so I'm starting here. 1 whole rotation around is 360 degrees, but we need to go past that. So let's see how many degrees past 500 we need to go. So I'm gonna subtract 360 from there, and I'm gonna get 140. So that means I am then going to go past the 90 degrees. And 140 is 50 degrees greater than 90. So that means I'm headed a little bit past halfway, and that's where my angle is going to end. Now, if you look, that little circular piece, that's what I'm saying is it's going all the way around and then it's connecting. So you need to make sure to do the loop all the way around, and then we label that as 500 degrees. Don't think too much into it. A whole rotation, that's 360. 270 is 3/4 of the way. 180 is that straight line, and then 90 is that piece right there. So just be aware. So we've done one that's in the original, a whole rotation, that's the 240. We did one that's past 1 full rotation. Now we're gonna be looking at negative. So if we're going counterclockwise for positive, we need to go clockwise for negative. So my initial side is right there. And if I need to go -50, that means this is -90 when I go underneath and negative. So that means I'm gonna be looking at an angle that's slightly greater than 45, so slightly greater than halfway in that quadrant. So that's -50 right there. It goes down instead of up and around. Hopefully you see that the line, this piece, is different than the rest of these because we're going in the opposite direction. Okay, you're gonna have a couple to do on your own on the next slide, so we'll make sure to get there.